Alright, week 3, assignment 2. Now, I'm just gonna pretty much kind of talk about it because this is the graded assignment. So, what I want to do first is just kind of show you. This is the formula for cones. Now, we're still finding surface area. Pretty soon, we're gonna find volume. Actually, that's assignment 3. But we're doing surface area. That just means the outside and the bottom, right? So it's gonna be all this and the bottom part, right? So that is what surface area is. Just a little recap there. Now you gotta use a formula. Lateral area LA is just the front of it. It's just the front of it. Now surface area again is the front and the bottom, right? So here, what you want to do is we want to find our, let's see, L is going to be our slant height. So as you can see right there, L is our slant height, R is a radius. So this is the diameter, and my radius is half of that. My radius is half the diameter, which is what? 27 divided by 2. 13.5. So that is 13.5, my radius. That's right here. Radius. Now we have our L, slant height. We have our radius. And we have pretty much everything now to solve. And we're going to plug it in. So I'm just going to write the formula down for you. Again, you got to make sure you plug it in correctly, because even though you have all the numbers correct, if you don't plug it in right, then you make simple mistakes, those little mistakes. You got to pay attention to detail. Pi r l. And then you just plug them in and you get your answer. So that's how you do 7, 8, now 9. It could be a little confusing, but again, remember our friend Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician from way back when. Pythagoras, the radius is here to here, so this is my radius. Alright, you see the triangle. This is a triangle. You're looking at the center of the cone. I know 3D objects are very hard to see. So again, this side is the same as this side. So again, just for argument's sake, we're going to use this triangle. And we need to find what x is. And then, to solve for it, do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, I'm not going to label all these things, but c is always a hypotenuse, right? So that's going to be c right here. I'm just going to point them to you. And then a or b doesn't really matter, but just to keep this nice and neat, 25, I'm going to put it here at b. And then x is going to be my a. So we're trying to solve for a. Trying to solve for a. So then you guys do the magic, plug it in. Now once you find your a, this is my radius. Remember the x, or should I just say r instead? R, my radius, is what I'm trying to find. You're going to plug it in once you find it. And then it's equal to, again, pi r squared plus pi rl. And again, my slant height, this is going to be my slant height, 27.3. Okay. Now, number 10. That's how you do 10. Now, number 11. Find the surface area of the figure to the left. The surface area. So, what this is saying is I want the outside of the roof. I want this. But I don't want the inside right here because it's hollow, right? We want the outside only. And I want to get this side. Only the outside. And I want to get the bottom of it too. So I want to get the bottom. So that is all the outside. Alright, so if I do this correctly, you got black, you want the red, the middle, and the bottom is going to be the blue. It's going to be the blue. You have three things you want to measure. You have three shapes. You have a cylinder, you have a circle, and you have a cone. So again, that is how you break it down. But before I go into it, I'm going to go to number 12. I'm going to let you guys finish. I'm going to let you finish, right? But I want to do number 12. Not do it, but just kind of give you a hint. You got to read carefully. I know reading is very strange, right? The roof on a shed, so what is it? It's a shed. Is a square base pyramid. So it's a square base pyramid. So how do I do a square base pyramid? Right? It's a roof. Now, in real life, what do you know about roofs? It's hollow. It's empty, right? If the base has a side, so again, it's gonna be a shed. If you guys have sheds where you keep your tools, or just kind of a back house thingy, you're gonna have your door or wherever, right? You get in there, it's a shed. You put your lawnmower, your tools, all that good stuff. We know that each side, so again, it's square, so it's 10, 10, and each side is 10, right? On the base, it's 10 feet, and the slant height of the roof is 9.4 feet. So the slant height is from here to there, to the point of the square pyramid. It's 9.4. 9.4, right? A little bit bigger. 9.4. We need to find the area of the roof. Now, again, the area of the roof. Roof. Right? What did the dog say? Roof, roof. Ha ha ha. Okay. It's just this side. So if I draw the square pyramid, I only want the outside. I don't want the inside. I don't want the base. I just want the pyramid. So it's pretty much just finding the four sides, the four triangles. Only the four triangles. That is how you do number 12. So you find the four triangles. Don't worry about the base. Don't worry about the bottom. Just the four triangles. Just the roof. And you have that information. And if you look at the formulas, it's a lot easier than you think. Now number 12, again number 11. I have a lot of students struggle and email me about this one, so just like I said, I was going to let you finish. Here you go. Cone only lateral area. This is how you do it. You got to break it apart. You got to write it down. You got to break it apart. You got your cone. Right, your lateral area is just the front of it, the radius. Right, that was the slant height. Your lateral area, use the formula, you get 340 pi meters squared. Cylinder is lateral area plus one of the circles area, right? So we're getting the top and we're getting the bottom, we're getting the middle. This is how you do it. That's how you break it apart. Again, pause this whenever you want to. Rewind it. Don't tell no one. It's a secret. That's how you do it. Cylinder area. Put it all together. Sorry, my pi looks a little funky. It was going to be a parentheses, but my brain got stuck. 408 pi plus 289 pi equals 697 pi. Keep your units, meters squared. So the total surface area of the composite figure, composite means just two pieces being combined, two shapes being combined, two figures being combined, should be TSA, total surface area, 340 pi plus 697 pi. So you add those, you get 1037 pi meters squared. But on formative, write this down, 3,257.83 meters squared. Again, this is your answer. This is how you get there. I know it's a lot of work, and that's why you only have 3 or 4 problems. So guys, just be patient. You have all week to do it. Take your time, and I try to put videos on the daily, not the daily, but on the weekly for sure. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, follow me on Twitter. Yeah, I don't have none of that stuff. Alright, that is how you do this. Alright guys, have a great week. Let me know, email me if you have questions.